I'm tired of doing all my little works in the garden or the maintenance of my car in the street. That's frustrating, that's annoying. So I think I need my little workshop. I need my den, and I know how to fix it out. My family owned a whole workshop that was used as a storage place. So what I need to do, it was clean everything up, throw things away, and this is what this video is about. So I hope you'll enjoy it. I rented a van. What? I rented a van because so I can put all the stuff away, move all the stuff that I don't need, go to the junkyard and throw away all the stuff that I need to throw it away. Arrived. Let's go. Bye bye. Bye. So, this is my den. And this is the actual state. What we will do is put everything in this van, throw lots of things out, and have a nice spot where to work. So let's start it. So, after 3 days of working, I completely empty my workshop, or what will be my workshop, and it still needs some fixing, and I want to share with you as it looks like now, and some cool stuff that I found in the shop. I will grab the camera. This area here where the tripod is, I don't know, guys. Maybe it could be a woodworking area or metalworking area. Anyways, what the plan is to let all this part of the shop that I'm showing you right now, where the two holes are, I want to be a woodworking and metalworking areas. Then all this part where all this steel is, through the back end of the shop, it will be my mechanical working area. That's even a really old bench work that now is a mess because I put all my stuff on top of it. There are some shelves that maybe I can make some organized shelves with tools and all the stuff. And yeah, that's what the plan is. Even because there is this big hole when in the past car used to be repaired on it, so you can go underneath by the stairs. These little stairs there are on the right and even on the left of the hole. And yeah, so I even found some really cool stuff, like this is a welding machine, pretty old welding machine that I think they will work. Even because there are old plugs, 3-phase plugs here, so it should be perfect. I think it can work. That's my new cutting machine. This is it for this video. And if you are interested to see how this workshop will be in the future, consider subscribing and push the ring bell. And ciao from the cars.